sweetie.
So what are you doing?
Oh, well, this bird hit our window, and I'm trying to see if we can revive it. Or
It's actually come to a lot.
Coming up. Come on, buddy. Come on. I don't want to touch you because I don't want to hurt you any further. Come on,
Well,
buddy.
he's standing up. That's a good sign.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got his one side up. He might be scared of us too. I'm just going to back up a bit.
Oh, wait. I think, you know what? Maybe he was just stunned.
Oh, let's hope so. That's already a good sign. He's waking up.
Well, he's moving his neck, so, but the question remains on whether or not his wings are injured.
Oh, yeah. Come on, sweetie. You can do it. Come on, baby. Maybe we're scaring him. I'll back up. It's okay. There you go. There you go. Come on. There you go. Wake up.
Hope you don't mind being on camera.
Hello, little guy. Come on, wake up so we can see if your wings are broken. Come on. There you go. Well, at least we're protecting it from any cats that might come around here.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, guy. Hi. Hello. I see your little blinking eyes. Hello. Wakey, wakey. Oh. I think he might be scared of us too, right?
Maybe. Hello.
I think he needs a drink. Or birdseed.
You could try putting some down, but is that what you think a car wreck injury guy needs? Something to eat?
Hi, guy.
Well, the fact that he's moving his head around would suggest that his neck isn't broken.
That's good.
Because when I saw it hit the window, I knew it was off to the side.
Oh, good. Okay.
So it depends on how he hit the window.
Let's see if he can just move his wings then, eh? Hey, sweetie.
He's watching us.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa!
Okay, bye.
Okay, see ya. He made it. Bird saved.
Really?